In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the PM700E external remote sensor with a DPI610E handheld pressure calibrator. The DPI610E supports the plug-and-play PM700E external pressure sensors. These sensors can be connected to expand the pressure measurement capability of the DPI610E without the need for multiple calibrator units. A typical application use case is to use a PM700E sensor with a lower pressure range than the DPI610E for better accuracy to calibrate a device on the test. This is easy to set up using our comparator adapter. The comparator connects to the test port of the DPI610E and provides two outlet ports for making gauge comparisons. To use the PM700E as a reference with the DPI610E, first connect the comparator to the test port of the DPI610E securely. Next, connect the PM700E pressure sensor to one port of the comparator. Using the sensor cable supplied with the sensor, connect the PM700E to the DPI610E external sensor port. Attach the device on the test to the second port of the comparator. On the calibrator dashboard, select Tasks Application. Select P2P task if you want to display both pressure measured by the DPI610E internal sensor as well as the PM700E external sensor. In this instance, the PM700E is used as a reference to calibrate the device on the test. If the device on the test has an electrical output, connect the leads to the electrical sockets on the DPI610E and from the Tasks menu, select P2I or P2V accordingly. If the external pressure function was not initially configured, the default will be the internal pressure on channel 1. This can easily be changed by going into the channel 1 setup. Now you're all set up to carry out your device calibration with a more accurate external sensor using the DPI610E. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website.